Tātou. Welcome. Hi, my name is Meeke.
And we're at WINTON School. I'm Luke. Welcome to N.E.W.S news for Ratu, the 11th of November.
Let's start the day with miniball news. Year 5 and 16, you have a game tonight at 6:30.
Hi, Vere. It's part of the uniform and so good seeing nearly everyone wearing them to and from school. Ka pai.
And remember, and a reminder, this term you must wear your sunhats at playtime and lunchtime.
Remember, if you miss any notices, you can play the news again, or you can read all the notices in the text box below.
Okay, on to te kupu o te wiki. This week's bird is Otautahi, which is te reo for Christchurch.
WINTON's got talent, yes. Lots of singing and dancing in the hall this week for the year 5 and 6s.
Contestants tomorrow are Kaylee and Breana, Maise McGregor, Dylan and Vere, and Hindle.
Disco news. Only 3 more sleeps until the circus fever hits the hall. Fizz, lollies, glow sticks and flashing lights.
I like to move it. I like to move it.
Okay, last news for today. Can the senior kapahaka group please meet in room 10 at interval? Thank you.
Thanks for tuning in. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S team, ka kite a popo.
Haere rā, WINTON School.